Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Francesca. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell so that you're notified when I post new content on Mondays and Thursdays every week regarding life, lux, and anything girly. So today's video is actually a continuation from last week's video. If you have not seen that yet, I'll link it up here. There we go, or there, I don't know. But it was when I unboxed this beauty. Love her. I can still, the new smell, guys, it gets to me every time. But we also have a little guy to unbox. Now, I didn't want to take away from that beautiful, beautiful bag. So I wanted to do this one separately. So this item I've been looking for like 4 weeks because it is currently kind of hard to find and I can't find it on the website. As you can tell, it's an SLG. Let's just take that out and let's see. Okay, can't tell yet. You can tell now. There she is. So I ended up getting, while I was at the store, the passport holder, or you can use it as a wallet if you like. The passport holder in the Christmas limited edition print. I love the Ferris wheel one. I think this one is the cutest out of all the prints. I like the bumper cars too, but this just caught my eye. Now, as far as the inside, it is that rose ballerine color. It has space for your passport. You can insert, and I'll show you with mine in a bit. Textile cards. There is the maiden stamp, made in France. Where is the date code on this guy? Ah, there it is. Made in France on the 33rd week of 2020. So it's actually older than my Alma by 3 weeks. There's that. And you guys have seen the textile cards. But yeah, I wanted this piece specifically versus a mini pochette or a round coin holder because I am new to collecting. I've got 2 mini pochettes. I really don't have a use for a round coin holder at this time because I have AirPods Pro, so I can't stick them in there. There's really no point for me at this point. So I'm trying to get pieces that I actually need. I technically don't need it, but I have been carrying my old school Coach one for about 10 years. And guys, look, I mean, it's still in awesome condition. It's done so well. Good job, Coach. Let's take my passport out. So that's what the Coach one looks like. I may still keep this one. Who knows? Oh, my marriage license. Yeah, I mean, it's still perfect, but I'm probably still going to use this one when I'm actually, when I'm storing my passport. But this one is probably the one that I'm going to use when I actually travel. Now, the glazing on it, I don't see any bubbling. I don't see anything lifting. So let's see how the passport fits in there. Let me make sure I don't show you all my personal information. We're friends, but not that close. How do I do this? Okay, so you stick it in there. Stick one side in there. Bear with me. So the other reason why I also wanted to choose this SLG versus the other ones is because, oh my God, it's so pretty. Okay, so fits perfectly in there. It's nice. There we go. So it has 4 card slots and then 1 big pocket right here. You can still technically lift this and put bills in there. And then, yeah, so it has plenty of space. So it's not, even with my passport in there, it has plenty of space for you to put other things in there. So yeah, so I purposely chose the passport holder because From previous reviews of the limited collection items, people do tend to complain about the silk screening chipping or starting to basically fade away. And I figured for a passport holder, I'm not, it's not like I'm traveling every week. Like my husband, he actually travels way more than I do because that's what he does for work. I won't be like opening and closing and touching this item so much. So I'm hoping that I can preserve the item or the silk screening a lot more that way so I can enjoy the item a lot longer. So yeah, tell me guys what you think about this item. Look at that beautiful Ferris wheel. So the cost of this item with the silk screening and limited edition is $435 plus taxes. And the cost of just the monogram, the regular monogram passport holder, and I'm looking on my phone, sorry guys, it is $365 plus taxes. So I think for about $60 difference, you get, well, plus taxes, you get this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful silk screening adventure, right? You know, I was watching someone's, and I'll link her channel down below. I can't think who it was. She unboxed a bunch of limited edition items recently. God, I can't think of who she is. I follow so many of you guys because I love you all. But she basically said, and if this is you, please comment down below. She basically said that 2020 has been like a roller coaster. And I even commented on her video that, you know, you're right. It's like a theme park. You know, you get the lazy river, then you're up a roller coaster, and then you're like going down. So I really, that resonated with me. And I wanted to get this because my husband and I were supposed to travel this year for his 40th birthday and my 35th. We were supposed to do this beautiful beach trip. I was hoping to do a Euro trip somewhere in there so that I can actually shop at Louis Vuitton and Chanel in Paris, but COVID happened. So I am over here shopping online and at my local store. So tell me guys what you think about this passport holder. Do you think it is worth it to pay the extra money so that you can get the beautiful silk screening, or do you actually prefer it in regular monogram? Like I said, this is my only current limited edition item in my collection, and I am really happy with how it turned out. There's nothing that I can see so far that is bothersome with it. I love the little like details of colors there all over it. And the silk screening itself, there's no chipping. I may get this hot stamped in the future with my fabulous initials FML, and it'll probably be more personalized for me. But they were pretty busy at the store when I went there the other day to pick up my stuff, so I didn't want to tie them up even more. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate all of you. And again, if you like content like this, make sure you like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is ILoveLux, ILVELUX. Also, if you have not joined my tag video yet, what are you waiting for? Come join me. I really want to know what your 3 worst luxury purchases are. This can be anything so that I know what to stay away from. Thank you guys and have a blessed day.